Cardano value equivalent to 7.1870 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.9996, 7.2857. The earlier day close, 7.0226. The change was plus 0.1644. Plus 2.34%. Backwards rate. ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 6.85 rands. High 7.33. Low 6.37. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 7.36 rands. High 7.88. Low 6.84. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 7.95 rands. High 8.51. Low 7.39. Cardano estimate on Thursday, February 23. Cost 7.76 rands. High 8.30. Low 7.22. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Cost 7.77 rands. High 8.31. Low 7.23. Cardano estimate on Monday, February 27. Cost 7.95 rands. High 8.51. Low 7.39. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 8.03 rands. High 8.59. Low 7.47. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 7.27 rands. High 7.78. Low 6.76. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 7.22 rands. High 7.73. Low 6.71. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 7.76 rands. High 8.30. Low 7.22. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 7.46 rands. High 7.98. Low 6.94. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 7.48 rands. High 8.00. Low 6.96. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 7.36 rands. High 7.88. Low 6.84. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 7.26 rands. High 7.77. Low 6.75. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 7.22 rands. High 7.73. Low 6.71. Cardano conjecture on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 7.62 rands. High 8.15. Low 7.09. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 7.95 rands. High 8.51. Low 7.39. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 7.49 rands. High 8.01. Low 6.97. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 7.72 rands. High 8.26. Low 7.18. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 7.46 rands. High 7.98. Low 6.94. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 7.93 rands. High 8.49. Low 7.37. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 7.63 rands. High 8.16. Low 7.10. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for February 2023. At the outset cost at 6.75 rands, exorbitant cost 8.59, while low cost 6.08. Found the middle value of cost 7.36. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8.03. Change for February 19.0%. Cardano gauge for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 8.03 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.68. While low cost 6.71. Found the middle value of cost 8.37. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.05, change for spring 12.7%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 9.05 rands, exorbitant cost 11.24, while low cost 9.05. Found the middle value of cost 9.96. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10.50. Change for April 16.0%. Cardano gauge for May 2023. To start with cost at 10.50 rands, exorbitant cost 10.50, while low cost 8.20. The found the middle value of cost 9.51. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.82. Change for May 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 8.82 rands, excessive cost 8.82, while low cost 6.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.99. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.41. Change for June 16.0%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 7.41 rands, excessive cost 7.47. While low cost 6.49, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.09, Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.98, change for July 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023, initially cost at 6.98 rands, excessive cost 7.73, while low cost 6.71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.16, Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.22, change for August 3.4%. Cardano figure for September 2023, initially cost at 7.22 rands, excessive cost 7.22, while low cost 5.98. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.71, Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.43. Change for September 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 6.43 rands, excessive cost 7.89, while low cost 6.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.03. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.37. Change for October 14.6%. Cardano conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 7.37 rands, excessive cost 7.37, while low cost 5.76. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.67. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.19. Change for November 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 6.19 rands, excessive cost 6.19, while low cost 4.84. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.61. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.20. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 5.20 rands, excessive cost 5.20, while low cost 4.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.71. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.37. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 4.37 rands, excessive cost 5.20, while low cost 4.37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.70.